Let's just have an A-B listen to this version and then the piccolo up again. Now it's just an airy horn, so to speak, and going back to this version. You can really hear it. It cuts through the mix better this way.
I like the piccolo over there, but it's question of choice also.
Absolutely. So for the sake of having the line presented clearer, I would leave the piccolo up there because it helps. But if you look for having a more airy horn sound that is just a bit brighter, but not so edgy on the higher frequencies, then bring it down 1 octave. And that is totally fine. Both versions will work.